Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Windows Defender. So let's begin the video. To temporarily disable Windows Defender, click the Start menu and open Settings. Now go to Update and Security. Then click on Windows Security. Now click Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click Manage Settings. Turn off the Real-Time Protection toggle. So this method temporarily disables Windows Defender's real-time protection, which will automatically re-enable after system restart. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.